When removing blackheads on your own, stay away from blackhead removal tools, which often build up with bacteria and can actually scar your skin. If you need to get rid of blackheads by yourself, be sure to do it as safely as possible. Before attempting to remove blackheads, take a warm shower or steam the affected area to open up your pores. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water as well, to avoid introducing even more bacteria. Dab an astringent onto your skin, using just enough to wet the blackhead area, and then position clean cotton balls on either side of the blackhead. Squeeze very gently with the cotton balls to extract the dirt from your pore. Then, wash your skin well with cool water, before dabbing the area with astringent again. If you'd rather not pop the blackheads, you can also get rid of them by cleansing or exfoliating your skin with gentle home treatments like an egg white mask or baking soda scrub. If you find that none of these treatments are working for you, consider consulting a dermatologist or reputable spa to get your blackheads professionally removed.